Good morning, students. In last class, we had read about chapter 4 special keys. Okay, so what is the special key we had read? Backspace key, shift key, control key, these keys. So, students, let's recap first. What is backspace key? This key is used to correct mistakes while typing. Okay. What is shift key? Shift key is used for many shortcuts. We can type capital letter without using the caps lock key. Next है control key. Control key, when we pressed control key, it performs special functions similarly to the shift key. So we all completed this key about this keys. Come to the next key, punctuation key. So today we will learn about the punctuation key. So as the name says, punctuation keys, it is related to punctuation marks that you have already learned while writing English sentences and paragraphs. Okay. So the number 1 is punctuation marks are the special symbols that are used while writing a paragraph or a sentence. These symbols brings clarity in a language. Some common punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question marks, exclamation marks. So what is the purpose of punctuation marks? They bring clarity to the language. So you must have used these symbols while writing sentences and paragraphs in your other subjects. And let's find out, where do we find out these keys on the keyboard? So if you see here, there are 3 punctuation marks, comma, full stop and question mark. You can see it here, right? Then you have a number 1 key with exclamation mark on it. Exclamation mark on it. So these are the punctuation key which you use while writing, while typing on a keyboard, the way you use the symbol in your notebook. Alright? Next is the combination keys. So, as the name suggests, combination keys, that means something which is related to more than one key. It is a combination of more than one key. The key that is used in combination with another key for doing any operation is called the combination key. So you have to use 2 or more keys together to form a combination to perform some functions. For example, shift, control and alt. So these keys are the 3 combination keys which are used in combination with other key to perform functions. So this is my keyboard. Let's find out, where do we see these keys? You can see these keys here. You will see control written on it, CTRL for control, alt for ALT, alt, and a key which is pointing toward a up by arrow, it is the shift key. Okay, so let's learn about how shift key can be used in combination with other key to perform some functions. Okay, there are 2 shift keys on the keyboard. It has a symbol like arrow. It has a symbol like an arrow which is going up. This key is used to type special symbols and punctuation marks present on the upper part of the key. So on your keyboard you will find many keys where you find two things written on it. The number keys on the upper part, you find the symbols, and below you find the numbers written on it. So if you want to write the upper symbols of any key, we have to use the key with the shift key. So you have to press the shift key, keep it pressed, don't leave it, and also press the other key. You will be able to type the symbols which is written on the upper part of the key. This key can also be used to type alphabets in capital letter when caps lock is turned off. So till now you have learned that if you want to type in capital letters, you use the caps lock key, right? You switch it all to type capital. But when the caps lock is off and you still want to type capital letters, you can write in capital letters using the shift key. Okay? Hold down this key and press the number key to get the special symbol on them. Now, next is the control key combination. There are two control keys on the keyboard. Okay, this key is marked as CTRL. As you can see on the picture, CTRL is the control key on the keyboard. It is used with other key to perform certain actions. Control key when pressed with another key perform a special functions. Alright students. So this is the function of the control key. If you hold down control key and with alphabet A, its function will be select all. Similarly, all key combinations are given here. What will be the function of key combination which is written on it? Okay students, I hope you understand all about keys. So keep learning, keep study. Thank you.